We're going to have a quick look at task 1, random string, and this is part of the A-level recursion class using Java. It's part of A-level recursion, but we are doing this iteratively today. So let's go into task 1, random string. So this should be a review for most of you because you managed to do it. And here I've got the top public static void main. And it starts with an integer of length n, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to put a function in here that will create a length n random string of the lowercase letters. So type the function here, so I'm going to start doing that now. Now the first thing is it has to be a public function, otherwise the automatic testing won't work. It has to be static because it's not part of an object, and we'll be talking about that more later. So what's it going to return? It's going to return data type string, and the function name or the method name is createLower, and it takes in one parameter, which is an integer, tells us the length of the output string. Curly bracket, press enter, and it does the rest for us there. So how am I going to do this? Well, the best thing we should have done is stop the video and plan it out in pseudocode. Really definitely the way forward, but I'm just going to go through it again now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a string. I'm going to call it result, and I'm going to initialize that to be an empty string, and we're going to build upon that, adding one letter at a time until we have got n letters. I'll just mention now that you could use string builder for this, and some people would say that that would be better. I'm not going to do that today. If you want to have a look at that, you can do that yourself. Now I'm going to have a character data type, and I'm going to call it letter. That sounds sensible. Because what I'm going to do is, character is really good if you're generating random things, because a character is an underlying number. Remember, a character only represents a single number, letter or symbol in accordance with the sort of ASCII table. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a for loop. Okay, and so for integer I is equal to 0, so there's our start. I is less than n, there's our stop condition, and I plus plus. Okay, and that's our increment or our step, start, stop, step. Okay, then curly brackets. So now we are going to iterate. In this case it will be 10 times at first, okay, and we're going to generate a new letter and add it to the string. So how am I going to generate a new letter? Well, I'll say that letter is equal to, and here I'm going to do math.random, okay, math.random. And math.random will generate a number between 0 and less than 1. And I want a number from 0 to 25 because there's 26 letters in the alphabet. Okay, so if I multiply that by 26, then that will give me the numbers 0 to 25, well, roughly. It'll be a float, and in fact it'll be a double. So it'll be a number which has got decimal places, because that's what math.random does. Okay, we could have used the random generator, and then I'm going to add 97. I'm adding 97 to it because the lowercase a starts at ASCII 97, so that's where we're going to be. If we generate a 0, we want it to be a, so I've added 97 to it, and so on. Now at the moment all this stuff here is a float, so what I need to do is I need to put it in brackets. And then here, I'm just going to cast that into a character. Okay. And there, just for diagnostics, I suppose I could print it off, just for a bit of testing. But then importantly, I need to add it to the string called result. And I'm going I say add, I do of course mean concatenate. And Java will let you do this. It will let you add a character to a string, and it will automatically promote that character into a string. So it does all that for us, and that's great. Okay, and then I'm going to return, because this is like a function, I'm going to return result. Okay, so that's the code there that I would have done here. I'm going to run that and see if it works. It takes a little bit of time, and there we go. I've got my diagnostic printout there, generating each letter, and it's produced a string of length 10 of lowercase letters. Okay, and that's done. I could run the tests just to check that it works, and it's passed all those tests there. Lots and lots of tests I made, automatic tests. It wouldn't have passed those if that wasn't public, and if it wasn't create lower. You have to do exactly in accordance with that. Just before we leave this task, I wanted to break this down to make sure that you fully understand that. Okay, so here, let's have a double, and I'm just going to call it R, short for random, and that's equal to math.random times 26. Okay, because that's the thing that we're going to, that's the thing that's going to help us to generate a random letter. And that will help us understand exactly what's happening here. Okay, and then after that I'm going to do R plus equals 97. Then after that, here I can replace this with char R. Okay, and I'm just going to check that that works. And yeah, so let's have a look at these results we've got here. Here, I'm just going to zoom in a tiny bit on this. Okay, so here you can see we've generated 22, which is 22.07, which is W, because that will resolve to 22. 9, J. 0.7 is A. So the zeroth value when you add 97 to it is ASCII 97, which is lowercase a. So that works. I added these lines here for you so that you can see how it's built up, because sometimes some people think it's really clever putting all the code in one line, but it's not always so readable. So here I could of course put the I could put some comments in here to explain what I'm doing. I'm generating a random number between 0 and 25. I'm adding 97 to it so that I can access the lowercase letters in the ASCII table, or Unicode table if you prefer. And then I'm going to cast that to become a letter. Then I'm going to concatenate that to result, and I'm going to return a result. So that's that one. Hopefully that looks a bit similar to yours, and if you didn't understand before, maybe you understand it a little bit better now. Okay, good stuff. I'll speak to you next time about find word.